NFL Sunday Ticket is an annual paid membership on YouTube and YouTube TV. Once you've bought NFL Sunday Ticket, you can't cancel your membership or get a refund for the current season. Your membership will automatically renew in August of every year unless you cancel your renewal. Do note that some memberships like student plans don't automatically renew. In this video, we'll talk about how to manage, cancel, and renew your annual membership of NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube and YouTube TV. First, let's talk about managing your annual subscription if you bought NFL Sunday Ticket as an add-on to a YouTube TV base plan. The NFL Sunday Ticket add-on renews at the retail price prior to the start of the season. If you bought the NFL Sunday Ticket add-on through a special deal or promotion, your membership will renew at the current retail price plus any applicable taxes. To check when your NFL Sunday Ticket membership add-on renews and at what price, follow these steps. Start by going to tv.youtube.com using the account you bought NFL Sunday Ticket with. Select your profile picture and click Settings. Under Membership, find your NFL Sunday Ticket add-on and click Manage. There, you'll see when your NFL Sunday Ticket add-on is set to renew and at what price. If you need to change your payment method before your annual renewal, go to the Billing tab and click Update next to your payment details. Follow the instructions to change your payment method. If you'd like to stop your membership from renewing before you're charged, go back to the NFL Sunday Ticket add-on membership section and click Cancel. Follow the steps to cancel your renewal. Note, you cannot cancel renewal for the NFL Sunday Ticket add-on if your YouTube TV base plan is paused. Now, let's discuss managing your annual subscription if you bought the standalone NFL Sunday Ticket Primetime channel. Go to youtube.com on a web browser using the account you bought NFL Sunday Ticket with. Select your profile picture and press Purchases and Memberships. Under Memberships, find NFL Sunday Ticket and click the drop-down arrow next to Manage Membership. There, you'll see when your NFL Sunday Ticket Primetime channel membership is set to renew and at what price. If you need to change your payment method before your annual renewal, click Edit. Then, follow the instructions to change your payment method. To stop your membership from renewing before your charge, select Cancel next to your billing date and follow the steps to complete your cancellation. To switch to a different NFL Sunday Ticket plan, you'll need to cancel your current membership before the next renewal date. Then, you can sign up for the new plan that you want. Once you've canceled your current membership, you can choose to buy a new plan. NFL Sunday Ticket is available as a YouTube TV add-on or a Primetime channel subscription. You can add NFL Red Zone to either of these options. To learn more about managing your annual subscription for NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube and YouTube TV, check out the article in the description. Subscribe to YouTube Viewers for more tips and tricks.